Hey, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Laura, and today I have a video for you guys with my first ever collaboration. I'm so happy about it. I'm over the moon, you could say. Today I collaborated with Yesstyle, and I received this little package here. It's the Box of Chic. I have no idea what's inside, but that's the point of it all. It's a mystery package, and we're going to find out today together what's inside here. So yeah, let's jump right in. Please give this video a big thumbs up before we start. Also, leave me a comment down below what you thought about what's going to be inside this, because I don't know. And also kindly consider subscribing, because it really supports my channel. After a long struggle, I was able to get rid of this foil, and now it's still in a bag, so very good packaging. Lots of plastic though, which is not that good for the environment, but yeah, not much I can do about it. It already happened. When I open this up, we have this package right here and a little card. It says, "For you, hope you will like it." Okay, so it seems like this outer layer of the package is actually a bag. So let me go take a closer look to it. It's like kind of a tote bag, which looks like this. It's really cute, really practical, I have to say. Especially if you go to school, or you go to do grocery shopping, or go to a library or to a cafe and you want to take some books. This will be really practical. It has like two sturdy hand grips and a zipper. That's even nice. If you have these kind of tote bags, they usually don't really have a zipper on top to close it properly, but this one does, so that's really nice, and it feels very sturdy material. So let me see what's inside of here. Open it up. Oh, I just noticed here too, there's another little compartment here to put other stuff. Yeah, that's a really nice bag. Okay, now let's see what's inside. Oh, a cap. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. A neon pink cap, which is actually super convenient now since it's summer in Japan. I think you might hear the really noisy sound of the airco up there, but I'm sorry, it's just not bearable to sit in this room without an airco at the moment. Yeah, let me open this up quickly. Oh, it's actually super cute. Oh, I like it. I thought it would be really big. It looks a bit big, but it's not. And you can you can adjust it at the back with a strap. So, I like this one. It's actually really cute. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below what you think about this hat. No, cap. It's a cap. Yeah. I always call it a pet. But a pet is like a dog or a cat in English, and a pet is this in Dutch, you know. Oh, I really like it. It looks so cute. First item, approved. Okay, so let's take a look what else is in this bag. Let's see. What first catches my eye is this. It's so cute. Strawberry milk. It's a school time printed pencil case. It's so cute. It's like a printed pencil case. Oh my gosh. It seems like Yesstyle knew what I needed. I've been using the same pencil case for the past 4 years approximately, and there's so many pens inside and stuff that I use that literally the seams have burst and I can't close it. It's just like carry in my hands like this all the time when I need to move it somewhere. But this seems to be a bit bigger. It's really cute. It's like a milk carton. So cute. Strawberry milk. I actually don't drink milk, but still really cute. Wow. It looks also nicely finished and sturdy. This will come in very handy. I'm not usually this kind of cutesy pink kind of girl, but still I really love it. I just took the hat off because it's getting a bit hot on my head. Do you know how hot it is today? It's like 37 degrees outside, and if you don't put it on the airco, it becomes like 37 degrees also inside. Not pleasant. Okay, next up, let me see. There's so much in this bag. Oh, I think I see something which I really like. Ta-da! Let me show you a little bit closer. Yes, here it is. Okay, these are hairpins, I believe, which look super cute. Coolgirl metal faux pearl hair clips. I actually really needed something like this because I had this super cute hairpin with like leaves and foresty style design, but it unfortunately broke after using it for such a long time. So I really think this will come in handy. I love the little pearl design, and also this one is really beautiful, I think. So special. And then these are two normal bobby pins, I would say, but still they make it look a little bit more chic by making it into gold and with the twisted design. So I think I'll be using this a lot. Okay, next up I have this really cute, I hope you can see it, bookmarker, which says Neko no Shiori. Shiori means bookmarker in Japanese, and Neko is cat. It's like this super cute cat. Oh my gosh, I actually love reading books. Now I'm reading Harry Potter in Japanese, another book called The Three-Body Problem. I almost finished it, but this little Shiori bookmarker is so damn cute. Look at that. It's like a cat on top of a book, and then like sleepy. And you can like pin it on top of your page, or like, how do you say it? Put it on top of your page so you know where you are. This is really cute. I love it. Thank you. Let me take two of them together actually. I got here eye color pens or stifts. I don't really know what these are, and I'm sorry, but I don't really read simplified. I can't really read simplified Chinese characters, so I don't know what this exists exactly. But in English, it's a set of 12 double tip highlighters in 12 colors. This comes in very handy since I always use a lot of like colored pens and everything when I'm like brainstorming ideas for my blog. If you don't know that I have a blog or my own website, check it out down below. It's all in the description box. Or when I'm brainstorming or planning things for YouTube, I like to use a lot of colors. So this will come in really handy, I think. And then these are more, I think, pens maybe. This is the set of 12 colored pens, 0.38 millimeters, so that's nice. Okay, let's see what's next. Next up I have a set of stickers. Oh, that's also really cute. It's called the Monez sticker set, various designs. I see like Instagram and animals, flowers, a globe, which is actually really cute. Yeah, I think this might come in handy when I want to like design a cute letter, write a cute letter. I like writing letters to my family members or to lean on special occasions. And also, if you don't know yet, I have a Patreon page where you can support me and my channel by becoming a member there. There are different tiers, and in two of the tiers I will write you a handwritten letter, obviously, for the Christmas season. So if you're interested in getting one of those, then definitely check out my Patreon page down below. It's the first link at the top, so you definitely will find it, and maybe you will get one of these stickers on your letter. Okay, the next item that I received from Yesstyle is this cute hand cream. This is the Innisfree Jeju Life Perfumed Hand Cream June Peach No. 6. I actually really love Innisfree hand creams as well as other Korean brands hand creams. I think they're really great. In summer I don't really use hand cream that much, but I ran out of almost all of my hand creams, and when fall and winter comes around, the air gets so dry here in Japan that this is a must. Okay, next up I have two more items which might be really useful for those who are going back to school this September or in August or even later. Depends on which level you're studying. I have here the 4-color sticker. Oh, like notes. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. Please focus. There. These are the 4-color stickers. What does it say? Sticky notes in Opal, Pebble, Dew, and maybe Harper. I can't really read the stickers on top of it. Yeah, these are really nice to use in like a pastel colored notebook. If you think about like design of your notes, this will come in very handy. It's very practical. And then I also got this Eggshell Houseware mini schedule notepad, schedule or schedule, I don't know which type of way to say it. I say schedule. Notepad checklist, one size. This comes in super handy for me since I have two jobs. One is teaching and the other one is working for myself, working on my YouTube and on my blog. So I set my own work hours, I set my own tasks, and set when I have to do what. So this will come in super handy. I really like making to-do lists and then checking things off when I'm done doing it. It's so satisfying. So this is really, really handy. Okay, just 2 more items left. Let me see. The last before one is this Sashi Set plain color masking tape. This is also good, I think, for people who go back to school if they want to make their notebooks look pretty. But I don't think I'll be using it for that. I think I'll be keeping this until the holiday season when I'm going to pack a lot of gifts, or until November at the very least, because then it's Lean and Mai's anniversary, 3rd year anniversary. So this will come in handy while wrapping gifts and making them look really pretty and aesthetic. So I'll be using this definitely later. Okay, and then last but not least, I got this little thing here. I actually don't know what it is. What does it say? It's Home Simply printed sanitary pad pouch in the color coffee. Let me open this up. Yeah. Okay. That's good. It looks like this. And you can use it, oh, it's waterproof, I think, inside here. That's really good. You can use it to put your pads or your tampons in, or other sanitary products that you might need during that time of the month when you have your period. For girls, this is really, really good, I think. It's also not see-through, so if you're going back to school and you need to take your sanitary products with you, then this will come in super handy. I think no one can see what's inside. Even if they could see, it's not a big deal, I think, in my personal opinion. It shouldn't be something taboo to talk about. But yeah, if you feel embarrassed about it or just don't want other people to know, then you won't have to worry about it with this. Yeah, so this will come in very handy. Okay, so that was everything that was in this box of chic. And I think it's kind of more like a box of back to school, I would say, which is really, really great for people who are going back to school in September, in August or October. Doesn't matter, when fall starts probably, because lots of these things are super useful and super practical when you go to school. You can wear this hat on your way, walking to school, cycling to school, taking a bus, taking a train, however you go to school. Protects you from the sun. Is also really cute. The color is cute, so it matches really many outfits, I think. This bag is perfect to put your school books in, or if you just want to go to a cafe. Like, I'm not going to school at the moment, but yeah, if you just want to go to a cafe, take some books with you, or take notebooks or anything, a laptop, then this will be really, really nice. I think I'll be getting a lot of use out of this bag. And we have a lot of like beautiful pens, stickers and notes. That's really, really great. Got a few accessories and this pen case as well. It's really, really cute. And yeah, also some other practical stuff like the hand cream, our hairpins, of course, the shiori, the bookmarker with the cute cat. It's all stuff that you can really, really make great use of when you are going back to school. And even for me, or for people who are already working, or people who just like taking a break from studying, all these things can come in handy when you are pursuing things you like for your hobbies, whatever. So I think this is really, really, really interesting to get. And I want to thank Yesstyle again for gifting me all these products. I'll be making great use of them. If you're interested in one of these products, I will link all of them down below so you can take a look for yourself. Yeah, so thank you today for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I have so many more fun videos planned for you guys. So if you don't want to miss anything, definitely click the subscribe button and tick on all notifications so you don't miss out on anything. Also, give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment, because it really support my channel and help me build this community. So thank you again, and I'll see you next time.